What did we get? We got the sugar
and peanut butter.
and the peanut butter. Here, you try it first.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
This could be a big bite. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good.
It's so warm.
I like that we didn't do 2 peanut butters. That would have been too much peanut butter. I like the sugar on the one side.
I agree.
Oh my god. That's so
It's
good.
so soft. I agree with the peanut butter statement.
Yep. Yeah, it's not like super peanut buttery. Or it like overtakes the whole cookie. 100%.
So good. Wow, this is fun.
And then the warm and the cold mixes so well together.
I really like the sugar cookie. Really?
I'm excited to try these ones. I bet their brownies are really good too. I've heard of this. I think they might have one in the cities too.
I think they have one in like Iowa. My brother has one in Mankato.
There might be one in Minneapolis, honestly.
Oh my god. Look at the confetti.